Gold. Now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see here, we had a correction and the price drop. Now the question is, how deep this one can go? Is it possible the price come to break this low or lower? Because in that case, then this correction is finished. Then from there we need to make a decision. This correction is finished. Shall we look for the buy, the reversal, or there is a continuation? And another option is that may the price from here reverse. In that case, still we are in this correction, and this is then relative to this. That means we should get one move up before we get the drop. Okay, you know, the question is whether this correction is finished or not. In this case, we move to 4-hour chart. Okay. Based on 4-hour chart, if you refer back to my last video, the price was somewhere here. We give all the, even based on the 4-hour or 1 hour, we give the different option. Okay, and since within this period or since last week we didn't have much different, that's why we didn't have the update. Okay, the first option was the price can move up before drop. The second option was the price come to here or lower, we look for reversal, or the another option was this is a correction. Just now we mentioned the daily chart and the price can go move to this level. For more information you can refer to my last video, but just this is a quick review of what we talked last time. Okay, now as I mentioned right now, the quest based on daily chart, the question is how deep this one can go. Because if from here the price reverse, in that case this one we should put together in relative to this. Then we have the we get the correction relative to this. That means there is a possibility price come to somewhere around here. Then we get this correction and the price drop. That means in this case this correction is not finished yet. Okay, then the another option is the price can continue drop and come to this level. If the price come to this level or even deeper, in that case this full correction is finished. That means we will have this one move, correction, drop. Then from there we need to make a decision how deep this one can go and whether we need to look for buy or the continuation. Okay, this is what we can see, what we can expect. But from what we have a sharp move down, and there is there is no more information what is the next. That's why we need to wait based on the 4-hour chart. We see how deep this one can go, whether it can continue or reverse, or whether we get the correction. Because right now there is no as I say, we don't have much information. Buying or selling based on this what we have is really not good idea. That's why we need to wait. In this case we move to 1-hour chart. As we can see, based on the 1-hour chart also the same. Again, buying or selling right now is not good. The only thing is we need to wait. We see whether we can get the correction. If we get a correction, then we can make a decision. If this continue drop, then also we need to wait and see how deep it can go. Okay, what we can see here, what we can say is that if we get a correction similar to flag, what I'm drawing here, flag or the flat, then maybe we can look for sell. But if we see any sharp move, the correction, flag or flat, then yeah, consider buying is not a bad idea. Because we say the option is, one of the option is this correction is relative to this, we can look for buy. We can look for buy, the price can move up. The another one is can continue. Again, we don't have much information right now. We need to see what we get here. The best is we wait and get the correction, then from there we make a decision. Buying or selling right now is not the really good idea. Any case, we just follow the chart and we see what's the next, and if I get any update then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.